Once our wait is done, it means that user payment was confirmed and we can transfer some crypto from our address to a user address. Let's check that this logic works. Open our cancel command and instead of send crypto workflow, we need to start our new buy crypto for fiat workflow. And here in arguments we can pass, for example, $100 and some random user ID. Done, now let's start this workflow. You see that our workflow has started and it waits for payment to be confirmed. Or in other words, it waits for a webhook to be triggered. Now let's implement this part. A webhook is an endpoint in our application, so go ahead and create a controller for it. Create a webhook controller, for simplicity, just a method with no arguments. Return OK here. So if we want to work with workflows in the controller, we need to inject an instance of workflow client interface. Then here we need to grab our running workflow and tell it somehow that the payment was confirmed. To get an already running workflow, we need its class and ID. Where we can get the ID? It can be retrieved here when we start a workflow. Before printing the result, let's print this ID. Restart the command and here it is. Copy it. Then we can use it here in the controller to get this running instance. We provide a class and an ID. Having this instance, we can call methods on this workflow, and it will be the same instance we have there running in the cancel command.